sobrang dami ko nang nakausap dito sa industry ng freelancing, and I just want to share with you one thing na maling ginagawa nila when they start this journey is they don't really have a goal. Ang pinaka-goal lang nila, magkaroon ng client, kumita ng pera. Pero to tell you, meron pa talagang goal behind that. To the point na, ang goal mo ba is gusto mo mag-retire ng maaga, makapag-travel habang nagtatrabaho. You don't want to work sa corporate na gusto mo dito lang sa bahay, alagaan yung baby mo, or gusto mong mag-enjoy lang with your family habang nag-work ka, habang may kinikita ka. So definitely, that's your goal. To the point na, make sure na yung lahat ng decision nyo is i-align nyo dun sa goal na yun. So if your goal is you want to travel every quarter, ano yung job na dapat para sa'yo? Kasi if you are just entering into social media management or virtual assistant, alam mo naman si virtual assistant, kailangan yan. Online ka kung kailan online yung client. May mga working hours yan. While si social media management, they can work anywhere, everywhere, kung nasan ka man, basta tapos mo yung job mo. Ano yung lifestyle na mag-a-align dito sa job na to? Is it virtual assistant ba? Si virtual assistant, kung ang goal mo naman is makapag-work dito, work from home, so you can enjoy with your family or celebrate occasions with your family, so nandito ka na, alagaan mo yung baby mo, virtual assistant is good. Pero if your goal is to travel because you love traveling, you want to explore the world, syempre, hindi ka dapat virtual assistant. Dapat ikaw ay social media manager or any other niche na project-based at hindi hourly. Or hindi siya nag-work ng mga graveyard shift or yung walang working hours talaga. Ngayon, I will ask you, ano ba talaga yung goal mo? Why you are entering in this freelancing journey? Kasi kung wala ka pang goal, you need to create a goal para alam mo kung saang path ka pupunta. Para hindi ka ma-lost. Baka kasi bumiglang liko ka hindi mo na alam kung nasaan ka na or tama ba yung ginagawa mo.